Central banks are in the spotlight this week. The US dollar is off to a weaker start, lower against the majors with the exception of sterling. Now, the British pound got hit in the aftermath of last week's inconclusive general elections in the UK. Political uncertainty continues as Brexit negotiations with the EU may not begin as planned next Monday. Now, looking ahead to central bank meetings this week, the Fed kicks off its two-day meeting on Tuesday. And at 2 p.m. Eastern Time on Wednesday afternoon, the rate announcement takes place. The Fed is widely forecast to raise its benchmark short-term rate by 25 basis points. Now, the focus is on whether Fed policymakers will reaffirm a tentative plan for another rate increase later this year, despite low inflation in the U.S. And ahead of the decision, economists expect the Labor Department to report that CPI here in the U.S. fell to 2% annually in May from 2.2% in the prior month. Meanwhile, core prices are expected to hold at 1.9%. At the end of the week on Friday, U.S. housing starts are expected to rise 4.3% to a seasonally adjusted annual rate of 1.2 million. Now, looking ahead at other central bank meetings this week, the BOE, BOJ, and SNB are not expected to announce a change in policy. And in New York afternoon trade on Monday, pound dollar is holding below 127, off just 0.6% at 126.67. Quickly taking a look at commodities, oil continues to trade higher on the session after last week's sell-off. July WTI is up 1.6% at $46.59. Meanwhile, looking at precious metals, gold is off 0.25% at $12.68 an ounce. Until next time, from the New York Stock Exchange, I'm Remy Blair reporting for ICMCapital.